By the end of this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to crochet 2 basic crochet projects. We're going to begin with this baby's hat for absolute beginners, of course, and the second project I'll be teaching you how to crochet this hat, of course, also for absolute beginners. So make sure you work with me to the end, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be super proud of yourself. Without no further ado, Shalom Crocheters, welcome to my channel. So we crochet out, get set all your materials, and let's get started. God bless you. Okay, as you know already, we're going to begin by creating our slip knot. And this is the hook I'll be working with. I'll be working with the 3mm size hook. There we have it. Okay, so just going to insert a hook into this knot, and we're going to begin with a chain of 4. Okay, so chain 4 to make a chain, yarn over, pull through, 1, yarn over, 2, 3, and 4. And to this first chain that we just made, insert your hook, yarn over, make a slip stitch. There we go. And now we are ready to begin our row number 1. Okay. And so now to begin our row, we're going to chain 2, 1 and 2, and this chain 2 does not represent a double crochet. Okay, this chain 2 just about some space here, and into this ring that we just created, we're going to make a total of 12 double crochet. Okay, 12 double crochet. So to make a double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. This is a double crochet. I will need a total of 12. So this is 1. Let's make the second one. 2, 3, 4. I will need a total of 12. Okay, 4. I'm just going to pull that tail, and here we have, we've completed our 12 double crochet. And to this first double crochet that we just made, that first stitch, insert your hook, yarn over, and make a slip stitch. Good. And this is how we're going to complete this row number 1. Now we're going to begin row number 2, and this is going to be our increase row. So chain 2, 1 and 2, and into that same stitch you're going to make 2 double crochet. So yarn over and make 2 double crochet into that same stitch, 1 and 2, and into the next stitch make 2 double crochet here, 1 and 2. Into the next stitch make 2 double crochet, 1 and 2. And we're just going to repeat making 2 double crochet in each stitch, and I'll meet you at the end of this row. Okay, so just keep on working. Okay, once you come here at the end of this row, we're just going to slip stitch on this first stitch that we did, not on the chain 2, but yeah, good. And here we have completed row number 2, and at the end of this row number 2 we should have a total of 24 stitches. Okay, so we're going to begin row number 3. To begin row number 3, chain 2, and let me give you the instructions. Here we're going to make 2 double crochet, and to the next stitch we make 1 double crochet, into the next stitch 2 double crochet, and to the next stitch make 1 double crochet. Okay, so yarn over and make 2 here, 1 and 2, into the next make 1 double crochet, into the next make 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, and into the next make 1 double crochet. Okay, so you're just going to repeat this all through, making, yeah, we've already make 1, making 2, 1, 2, 1. Okay, so just repeat this, and I'll meet you at the end of this row. What we're going to do next. Okay, here we are. We just completed our row number 3, and at the end of this row number 3 we should have a total of 36 stitches. Okay, so we're going to begin row number 4, chain 2, 1 and 2, and to that same stitch we're going to make 2 double crochet, and to the next 2 stitches we're going to make 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, and to the next we make 2 double crochet, and we're going to repeat the sequence. Okay, so make 2 double crochet here, 1 and 2, Into the next 2 stitches, make 1 double crochet in each of the 2 stitches. So here make 1 double crochet, into the second make 1 double crochet, and now into the third now make 2 double crochet, 1 and 2. Okay, so we're just going to repeat this sequence all through, making 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, into the third you make an increase, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, into the third make an increase. Repeat this and I'll meet you at the end of this row to tell what we're going to do next. Okay, make sure we meet you. Here we have just completed row number 4. Don't bother. Okay, we're going to make just the last row of our increase, and at the end of this row number 4 we should have a total of 48 stitches. Now to begin row number 5, let me give you the instructions. In here we're going to make 2 double crochet, and to the next 30 stitches, and to the next 3 stitches we're going to make 1 double crochet in each of the 3 stitches and an increase into the next. So you want to chain 2, 1 and 2, and into the same stitch make 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, and to the next 3 stitches we're going to make 1 double crochet in each. So 1, to the second make 1 double crochet, into the third make 1 double crochet. Now into the fourth now make 2 double crochet there, 1 and 2. Okay, I'm just going to repeat this sequence all through, make 1 double crochet into the next 3 stitches, and to the fourth now make 2 double crochet. So repeat this and I'll meet you at the end of this row. Okay, here we have a perfect circle. Let me just see. Yeah, I think this will go better. This. This. Wow. Just like all of this. Okay, now from here we're just going to make a double crochet. We're done our increases, and at the end of this row we should have a total of 60 stitches. Okay, at the end of row number 5, and now we're going to begin counting from here as row number 1. So chain 2, 1 and 2, and to that same stitch you want to make 1 double crochet. Now let me give you the instructions. From here no more increases. Okay, we're just going to make 1 double crochet in each stitch, 1 double crochet in each stitch. So into the next stitch make 1 double crochet, into the next stitch make 1 double crochet, into the next stitch make 1 double crochet, into the stitch make 1 double crochet. Good. And we're just going to repeat making 1 double crochet all through this row, and I'll meet you at the end of this row. Okay, so just keep on working. And okay, and at the end of this row number 1, from here we should begin to have something like this. Okay, you can see it begin to curve. And now we're going to begin row number 2, 1 and 2, and to the same stitch make 1 double crochet, into the next stitch make 1 double crochet, into the next stitch make 1 double crochet, and into the next stitch make 1 double crochet. Good. And we're just going to repeat making 1 double crochet all through till we have the number of length that we need. Now you can just mark this row as our row number 1, so help us to count it. Okay, so this is row number 1, row number 2. So just keep on working and making 1 double crochet all through till we have our required length, and make sure we can meet to the end. And after this row we're going to make one of these. This is so good, man. Okay, so keep on working. Okay, and this is what we have so far, and counting from here we did a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, and counting from here we did a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 rows. Okay, 8 rows after our increased rows, and this is so good. And yeah, so next we're going to make our decorations, and I'll teach you how to make this beautiful heart. So let's do this. Okay, so to begin our heart we're going to start by creating a magic. I'm so sorry for the noise, Christmas. So we're going to start creating our magic ring. You just want to, this is your tail, you hold your tail, so you hold your tail by the side and you just turn it over for the first time, and come and turn over for the second time, and this time around you create a next. Okay, create a next, and with your middle finger hold it and bring in your hook. I'll continue with this, the 3 minutes, the same hook, and you want to come in here beneath here, insert your hook here, and turn your hook over and pull that yarn and turn it over. Okay, here we go. And now you want to just take it and bring it this way, and now your tail should be at the right side. And now we are good to go. And here we have our magic ring. And now we're going to chain 2, 1 and 2. And now we're going to start. Now we're going to make 3 tripod crochet into this ring. 3 tripod crochet. So to make a tripod crochet, you want to yarn twice. So yarn over once, yarn over twice, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. Now yarn over once, pull out 2 loops, yarn over, pull out 2 loops, yarn over, pull out 2 loops. This is our first tripod crochet, and let's make 2 more. Yarn over once, yarn over twice, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull out 2 loops, yarn over, pull out 2 loops, yarn over, pull out 2 loops. This is the second. Let's do the third. Yarn over once, yarn over twice, insert your hook to the ring, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull out 2 loops, yarn over, pull out 2 loops, yarn over, pull out 2 loops. This is what we have. And now next we're going to make a total of 3 double crochet. So to make a double crochet, yarn over and make 3 double crochet. This is the first, 2 and 3. Okay, here we have 3 double crochet. And now next, chain 1 and make 1 tripod crochet. So yarn over once, yarn over twice, insert your hook, yarn over, pull out 2 loops, pull out 2 loops, pull out 2 loops, chain 1. Okay, and you want to pull that tail, just pull it, not too much. And now next we're going to work the second part of our heart. Okay, the second part of our heart. So now you want to make 3 double crochet. So yarn over and make 3 double crochet. This is 1, 2 and 3. And now next make 3 tripod crochet. Yarn over once, yarn over twice, pull out 2 loops, make a second, 1 and 2, and now make the last one, yarn over once, yarn over twice, and I want to pull that tail, and now chain 2, 1 and 2. Okay, and you want to pull that tail, pull it one, and now come into this ring here and make a slip stitch. So after your chain 2, insert your hook, yarn over and make a slip stitch. Good. And you want to pull that tail, and now we're going to fasten off our yarn and leave a decent length to sew in that tail. Okay, so fasten off, and here we go, we have our beautiful hat. That's okay, right? Now we're just going to weave in our ends. And here we go, we have our beautiful heart. So go ahead and make plenty of these, and feel free to make anything you want to make with, okay? Yeah, that was a beautiful tutorial, right? So now next, let's proceed with this. I'm just going to glue in my heart, my star to my heart. And star, just come this one here. And voila, there we go. I just want to make sure that it sits in very well. And voila, here we go, our baby's heart is ready for Christmas. And we have something like this. This is so good, right? You can see. Yeah, it sits in so well. Oh wow. And thank you so very much for working with me. Let me know what you think about this tutorial in the comment section below. It's so very cute, and this will feed the baby for 0 to 3 months perfectly well. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do watch to subscribe, and each time you subscribe, always turn on the notification button so you don't miss any of my tutorials. And to all of my subscribers, a big thank you to you. Thank you for your love, thank you for your support, thank you for sharing my tutorials. Thank you so very much. I see my tutorials watched on other platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook. It is thanks to you guys, and I'm so grateful. Now, till then, stay blessed, stay safe, and I'll meet you to the next tutorial. And if you're a stay-at-home mom like me, I encourage you to do plenty of these, and I pray God bless the work of your hands. Stay safe, stay tuned. I'll meet you in the next tutorial. Stay blessed. Shalom.